Hare Krishna guys, welcome back to my channel Chop Munch Repeat. If you guys are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Shama and I create content about food, delicious lip smacking food जिसे देख के आपके मुंह में पानी आ जाएगा। और आज का मेरा गेटअप और ये ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल का बैकग्राउंड देख के आप समझ गए होंगे मैं आज हूँ मुंबई के फेमस राधा गोपीनाथ टेम्पल वहाँ पे। और यहाँ पे हम जन्माष्टमी जस्ट आने वाली है तो लॉर्ड कृष्णा के ब्लेसिंग्स लेने आए हैं एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू मिस दिस चांस क्योंकि इस टेम्पल के बगल में ही देयर इज़ दिस ब्यूटीफुल रेस्टोरेंट कॉल्ड गोविंदास और यहाँ का प्योर वेजिटेरियन खाना बहुत पॉपुलर है। यहाँ पे आपको मतलब वेजिटेरियन के नाम पे एक्चुअली सात्विक फूड मिलता है। एवरीथिंग कुक्ड हियर इज़ कुक्ड विदाउट अनियन एंड गार्लिक एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस बिकॉज फॉर अ फन फैक्ट इंडिया में 40% जनता वेजिटेरियन है एंड आई वॉन्ट 40% टू वॉच माई वीडियो राइट नाउ। आई हैव हर्ड सो मच अबाउट दिस प्लेस स्पेशली फ्रॉम माई ब्रदर वेन एवर ही कम्स हियर ही विजिट्स दिस प्लेस एंड ही टॉक्स अबाउट इट सो मच। देयर मेन्यू इज़ वेरी एक्सटेंसिव। मतलब जनरली जब आप वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाते हैं व्हाट यू गेट इज इंडियन क्यूजीन एंड यू नो थालीज एंड ऑल, बट हियर from pizzas to fondue you get everything. It is actually an international vegetarian restaurant and I hope to have a great experience here. Let's just get inside.
I'm very happy to tell you that this restaurant belongs to Islam Hare Krishna Mandir. So all our dosas names are related to Krishna's pastime. So Vrindavan dosa, that is very simple for us, where simple living, high thinking. So Vrindavan dosa or simple dosa's name, Lohavan, Belvan, Talvan.
I saw some of your pizzas also named after the
yes,
lords.
that's also something different, like Gopal Garden, Harinam Chintamani. When people selling that, automatically they are taking Krishna's name, Hari.
That
and
is so
Goloka
beautiful.
Express. People want to go to Goloka, where Krishna's eternal pastime is going on.
We have come inside. Sitting next to me is my beautiful mama. Mama, say hi. I am going through their menu and the menu is truly so extensive. There are so many things and one important thing I want to mention is जो भी item है इस menu में they have been named very thoughtfully. Like the dosas are named according to the forest in which Krishna ji used to chill, that we can say. And then there are very interesting names for the pizzas and for the fondues also. I have placed my order. I'm waiting for my delicious food. Everybody here is so hungry and let's just see what we get. One more thing, the ambience here is so calm and there is some kind of positivity here which I am loving. Here's our first item. It literally took like 5 minutes for them to bring this super fast service. This is a Madhuvan dosa which I ordered. Look at this. It looks very simple. They have given this sambar and chutney with this. This is a coconut chutney. Let's try it. अंदर मुझे मस्त ऐसे आलू की सब्जी दिख रही है, थोड़ी सी मुझे चटनी भी दिख रही है ऊपर. लेट्स डिप इट इन सम सांबर. फर्स्ट बाइट. This was literally a burst of flavors into my mouth. This chutney, I don't know what chutney is this. It's super spicy, but it's full of flavors. Nobody can say that there is no onion or garlic inside. I don't know what they do for flavors, but it's amazing. Look at this. I think इन्होंने अंदर मस्त cabbage डाला है, which is a good replacement for onion. I'm going to try it with the chutney also. So good. This is what I'm here for. Look at this. This is a Japao fondue. Okay, I've heard a lot about the fondues here and it's a very interesting concept. आप में से जिसको पता नहीं है fondue क्या होता है, let me tell you. ये ऐसे एक cheesy dip होता है and इसके नीचे ना you can see there is this small lamp जिससे ये it's continuously on heat. एंड इसके साथ में देर आर दीज हर्ब ब्रेड क्यूब्स एंड इसको डिप करके खाते हैं इसके साथ. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. लेट्स डू दिस नाउ. अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज़ इसका नाम है जपाओ फॉन्ड्यू एंड जपाओ मतलब JAPAO. सो दैट इज़ एलेपिनोस प्लस पार्सली एंड प्लस ऑलिव्स. वेरी क्रिएटिव. यू कैन सी सम चॉप्ड एलेपिनोस ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस. दिस लुक्स लाइक वेरी क्रीमी. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस नाउ. Let us take this one cube. Hey, there are olives in the bread also. And let's dip it in some fondue. Super hot. Oh my god, this is full of cheese. There's a strong flavor of jalapenos inside this fondue. I love the bread also. It's quite moist, it's not that dry, and I'm loving the combination overall. This is a very interesting thing to try. Bring your parents here, they'll also enjoy this. I can't stop eating this. Bomb. नेक्स्ट जो चीज़ हमारी आई है ना, ये मैं एब्सोल्युटली कभी नहीं खाती हूँ. दिस इज़ अ सैलड, बट हाउ गुड दिस लुक्स. लुक एट इट. I can see some crunchy nachos on top of it. There is this nice sauce. There is some paneer. Let's try it. I have managed to take pieces of everything. The dressing is delicious. I forgot to tell you, this is a hot Amexi salad. We asked the staff that what would you suggest that we should try, and this looked really good. This is what they suggested. I can see some beans inside this. There are these roasted bell peppers. I love this dressing. It's very yummy. The nachos are very crunchy.
This is complimentary.
Thank you. He was very sweet to give us a khicha papad complimentary. Thank you. I love this. यार ऐसा सैलड मिले ना तो मैं रोज खा सकती हूँ पक्का. We have one more thing coming up next, but उससे पहले ये खिचिया पापड़ ट्राई करते हैं. थोड़ी सी इस पे ये हरी चटनी डालते हैं. I think this is the first time I'm eating खिचिया पापड़ without onion. And कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. बहुत delicious लग रहा है. I love the tomatoes. There are cucumber pieces which is bringing a nice crunch to it, and the papad is super crispy. Here's our pizza. इसका नाम है हरिनाम चिंतामणि पिज़्ज़ा. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि यहाँ पे कि इन्होंने ना अपने बहुत सारे फूड आइटम्स को लॉर्ड कृष्णा के नाम दिए. सो इट इज़ वन मोर वे कि जब आप फूड ऑर्डर करोगे उसी बहाने आपके मुंह में भगवान का नाम आ जाएगा, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. Look at this. It's a huge pizza. It's a large size pizza. They make their pizzas in their ovens, which are actually imported from Italy, and this looks very authentic. This is a thick crust pizza. There are some olives on top. There are some jalapenos. Looks amazing. Wow, look at this. Now that's one hell of a cheese pull. Okay, let's try it. It's very hot. बहुत गर्म है यार.
One eternity later.
I think अब ये ठंडा हो गया है. So delicious, my god. I love the pesto sauce. The first thing I tasted was cheese and the pesto sauce. Delicious. There are some pieces of paneer also. I love the olives and jalapenos on top. It is so nicely made. Even the pizza's crust has some paneer inside. I love it. It's stuffed with it. In fact, generally thick crust pizzas are not so crispy, but look at this. Look at the crust on top of this. It's super crispy, and there is lots of cheese. मुझे पर्सनली थिन क्रस्ट पिज़्ज़ाज बहुत पसंद है, बट दिस आई लव. टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स बिलो कि आपको कौन सा पसंद है, थिन क्रस्ट या ये. I have ordered some drinks too. They look beautiful. Okay, this is a ras sar. This is somewhat like orange mojito, and then we have this. This is a Amrit Dhara. It is made with pomegranate. Let's try this first. I love the strong citrusy and minty flavor. It's superb. It's super refreshing. दिस इज़ परफेक्टली स्वीटेंड. जो भी क्यूजीन मैंने आज खाया है उसको सुपर्ब कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है ये. दिस वन इज़ अमृत धारा. मुझे बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है नाम याद रखने में. दिस हैज़ अ पोमोग्रेनेट जूस इनसाइड. लेट्स ट्राई इट. There's a very mild flavor of pomegranate. I think there is Sprite also, so it's giving that nice fizz to it. Overall, I love it. Whenever you eat Italian cuisine, उसमें garlic actually one of the most important ingredient होता है. But here I tried so many Italian dishes and किसी में भी garlic नहीं है, onion भी नहीं है, and still the taste is on point. That is it for today guys. Oh God, मैं आज इतनी ज़्यादा conscious हो रही थी शूट करने में. Actually the ambience inside is so different and it's so calm that a personality like me, super loud, had to be a little mellow. But what a food, man. Everything that I had. My parents loved fondue. They are a big fan of fondue now. I think every time we come here they're gonna have the same. But other than that, the pizza, amazing. The food is super reasonable. Everything is made with such quality ingredients, you can tell. Amazing. And once again, the most important thing, everything is made without onion, garlic. This place is simply great for vegetarians. Now we are going to our temple. We're gonna take blessings of Lord Krishna. Wishing you all happy Janmashtami. Hope you all love this Janmashtami special vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Chop Munch Repeat. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. I forgot to tell you all, there is one more place next to Govinda's, that is Govinda's Express, which is right behind me, and they have all these fast food items right from Satvik burgers to Frankie's and even our favorite Goti soda. I wish I could try it, but I'm so full already. But next time when I come here or you come here, you better try the food here and tell me in the comments if you love it.